beautiful people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Subhangi. Long time no see, huh? I hope you guys missed me, didn't you? Because I missed you guys a lot. A lot! I hope you guys had lots of fun during Puja. I know Durga Puja is over, but don't worry, Diwali is here and so is my new glam makeup tutorial. So guys, today I'm gonna show you the tutorial of this Diwali special peach glam makeup look. So stick with me till the end. With that said, let's get started. To prime my face, I'm gonna use this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. To color correct my face, today I'm gonna use this M.A.C Liquid Color Corrector in the shade 7 Orange Pretzel. To cover my color corrected areas, I'm gonna use this Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium. Next, I'm gonna set the color corrected areas using Lakme Radiance Compact in the shade Natural Marble. Next, I'm gonna use Lakme 925cc cream in the shade 04 Almond. You can also use foundation if you want, but I wanted to keep the base natural. Yeah, I had to put some more CC cream on the blender before blending to get the required coverage because, you know, blenders seep in some amount of product during blending. Beáuty Liquid Concealer in the shade 04 Medium Beige. Next, I'm gonna set my concealer using Mars Banana Powder. Setting the rest of my face using the Lakme Radiance Compact. So guys, I've already done my eyebrows and I've also done the eye makeup of my left eye. I have filled my eyebrows using Music Flower Longwear Gel Liner in the shade Brown. I have defined my eyebrows and primed my eyelids using the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer, and I have set the lid using Lakme Radiance Compact in the shade Natural Marble. So now, let's start the eye makeup of the right eye. So first of all, from the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, I'm taking this shade called Karma in a fluffy blending brush and putting it right on my crease and blending it upwards. Next, I'm taking Off Balance and putting it right over Karma to create a peachy shade and blending it slightly upwards but not as high as Karma. Wild color icon MyGlamm Squad palette, I'm taking this brown shade to create more depth and definition to the crease. Now I'm taking this dark brown shade and putting it on my outer V and a little bit on my crease and then blending it inwards. Now I'm taking this rose gold shimmer on one side and the light golden shimmer on the other side of a bigger flat brush and creating a half cut crease like shape by putting the rose gold shimmer in the middle and the light golden shimmer in the inner corner of my eyelid. I'm also putting the light colored shimmer a little bit over the rose gold shimmer to pop it even more. Next, I'm taking this brown shade again to create a smooth transition between the glitters and the outer corner. To lower lash line, I'm taking this dark brown shade again in a fluffy flat brush and putting it right on my lower lash line. Now I'm mixing these two shades again and using that to blend out the edges of the dark brown shade. I finished the eye look with Lakme Insta Black Liquid Liner, Nykaa Super Sizer Volumizing Mascara, and I've applied MAC White Eye Pencil in my waterline. Now, you can stop the eye makeup here or add some false lashes. It's all up to you. Now let's start the rest of the face makeup. To bronze my face, I'm gonna use MyGlamm Pose HD Bronzer 2. This Miss Rose Blush Glow Kit number 02, and as usual I'm gonna use these two shades. Now I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter number 02. My full face makeup using Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Makeup Fixer. I've already moisturized and lined my lips, and now I'm gonna fill in my lips using Wet n Wild Megalast lipstick in the shade Mochalicious. My final look. I've used falsies, bindi and some accessories to beautifully finish the look. And guys, I've messed up a little bit while applying the falsies, due to which I accidentally ripped off some individual lashes from the lash band, as you can see. I'm really sorry for that. Apart from that, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Tuesday, so hit the ding ding bell icon so that you never miss an update. Make sure to follow me and my sister on Instagram and do like my Facebook page. Links are in the description box. And make sure to check the comment box to know about the shout-out rules. So that's it for today. See you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and don't forget that you are beautiful. And I wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali in advance. But be very careful while burning firecrackers and try to avoid noisy firecrackers because those scare the animals and create a lot of noise pollution. Love you guys. Bye bye.